हेलो वेलकम बैक everyone to our stream. So आज we will continue the Go series which we started, and today is the day 2. So I have no idea where I can get the tutorials or anything like that, but yeah, let us try. Meanwhile, let me confirm that things are working fine here. Okay, cool. I guess things are working fine. So let us find tutorials for Golang. Will I be getting anything? Yeah, whatever. W3 school do teach Golang. We have Java T point. Program is crew 99. Which will be the best? Because these are things which we have tried. We have prepared our first Golang program. We tried to execute this. We have gone through this in the last lecture. Or I won't say lecture, like in the last live stream. And say hello. I guess we have covered say hello only. Yep, we have covered say hello. What is it next? Creating a module multi. Yeah, see the thing is, the thing with these are, I don't think they are from the basics, and that won't be a good idea if we directly start creating module without knowing the basic syntax, like printing to console, taking input from user, if else conditions, loops, functions, and those kind of things. So if any of you have any idea which would be the best platform to learn Golang, definitely send me the URL in the comment box. We'll try to, like, first I will try to check that content is for beginners or not, and we'll try to learn from there. And if that wasn't for beginner, then I mean, then I won't be going through that. uh, I think this is a simple walkthrough. Installing, what is it installing? Welcome to playground. Okay, it do has this store kind of thing. Every Go program is made of packages. We have learned this in the past live stream. Programs start running in package main. Definitely we have to provide this package name main, because this is the file, or because, so every file I think can go act as a package, and it will start executing this file with the main package, if I'm not getting it wrong. Sorry. Then import again. So yesterday we only, like in last live stream, we only imported a single package. So the syntax of importing multiple packages is like this: math.random. And yeah, I mean, it's really not from the beginning. Like, okay, I guess I have to write something of my own. Hmm. And how, like this? I have tried this website while I was learning basics of HTML and like the web development thing, and it too has a pretty good content though. Uh, Introduction. Okay, cool. So Go is a cross-platform language, open source programming language. It means it can be run. Yeah, this seems nice. I can, you know, uh, what I think I should be writing. Okay, I guess something might be changed because I have updated a few things. Uh, and I have to change this remote actually. So this is nothing related to Go. You can skip this. I'm just trying to, like, write all these things in a page that you guys can refer on, or I will be pasting URL of these only so that you guys can refer that same URL, or like try the same program which I am trying here. This needs to be updated, right? Yep, that needs to be updated. Anyways, we will be cloning this one. Okay. Let me grab that SSH URL. Cool. So I will be doing what? Creating a new directory here only, right? Yep. And this is for golang, and yep, intro.md. Cool. And let me just copy this syntax. I will be, so currently, like, this is something not related to Go, but this is my personal blog, and it's currently written in Ruby on Rails, but once I will be learning Golang, I will be migrating all this blog from Jekyll to Hugo. Hugo is another framework written in Golang for developing your for like deploying your personal blog or via GitHub pages. So getting started with Golang, and categories and tags both will be Go. Cool. So I'm not sure how much of how much of you are aware about this site speech notes. So this do help in writing. You can just speak anything or it will type that thing for you. Allow. Yep, until I close the site. Hello, hello, hello. Testing 1 2 3. It didn't write anything. Okay. Dude, what happened? So let's go through this thing first. So Go is a cross-platform open source programming language. Okay, can be used to create high-performance applications. It's fast, statically typed, compiled language that feels like a dynamically typed interpreted. Hey, how can it be compiled as well as interpreted? Let's go with compile, I would say, because I don't think it's interpreted. Go was developed by Google. These are in 2007. Go syntax is similar to C++. Okay. And so these are the uses. Yeah, it's fun to learn, but although there is not much content I'm getting, I do not need comparison. Cool. Let me try this one. Is it working now? Test 1 2 3. Which microphone it is using? Can I change that? Microphone. Use this one. Okay. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. It's not working at all. Oh God. Will this work? Hello, hello. Is microphone working fine? No. Something is fishy with this. Anyways, nothing to worry. So we know the introduction that it's a cross-platform language, open source, high-performance application can be built with this language, statically type and compiled language, written by Google. These are the name of the developer 7, and yep, similar syntax. But I'm is something wrong with the network? I will checking the same right soon. Okay, I can see things are working pretty fine. Okay, are we still up? Hmm. Okay, let me check it. Yep, I can hear myself. So in a text editor, we are using VS Code. You can use any text editor, but I would not recommend. So in VS Code, there are tons of extensions. Somewhere here, yep. So it do have Go extension, and I won't recommend to install it in the beginning only, because that way, I mean, it do show up a few things. It's my personal recommendation to not install any extension while learning things. When you will be developing things, you can use the extension to make your work easier or faster, I would say. So I have already installed Go. I do not need an IDE. Go quick start, launching VS Code, done. Yeah, we have already gone through the hello world program. We have already executed the same, but for this we had to like create this go.mode or these kind of thing. I do not want to build the executable as this point, but I mean, yeah, we have already done this. We can try it here as well. We do not have hello world. We have what main. What is the file name which we have? We have hello.go. Hello dot slash hello. Oh, it's in day one actually. Dot slash day one slash hello. File not found currently, because we have the go.mode in this directory, learn golang, and we have the go. Okay, we have everything inside day one only. So do we have to cd inside day one and then do hello.go? Yep, it's working now. So yeah, I mean, these steps are supposed to be mentioned here. Anyways, so what have we learned so far is Go is developed by Google. Oh dude, you guys will be seeing a hell lot of spelling mistakes because I'm not good at writing correct spellings. Go is developed by Google in 2007. I will be like rephrasing the same after the live stream, but I'm just writing things here so that I can provide you that exact URL where I will be like doing all the coding part. And what else you need to know? It's a compiler based kind of like it compile it code instead of interpreting each line of file one by one. It's a compiler. Oh, dude. Compiler based language. That's enough. I will be fixing that speech note thing. Cool, and I guess that's enough for the history. Now we have a few things which we need to take care of is yeah, I mean, I guess we can start with hello world. Yeah, it has explained everything clearly. I have already explained in my previous live stream, but let me go through them once again. So a file consists of following part. Of course, the package declaration is the first line. Importing packages is the second line. Creating functions. So this is the syntax of creating a function. Statement and expressions, and these are the statements. Those will be executed to to print something in the console or to do the calculation and those kind of things. So we will be like covering more about functions in the upcoming live streams, but for now you can just say you have to write func and you have to create this function name main so that things will work for you. And it has explained everything right here that we define using package keyword. So we will be what should I say? So a keyword basically you can say is a word that is reserved by the language itself, and it cannot be used as a variable name or as anything else. Like package is a keyword. Package is something which is inside the Golang syntax, so you cannot use it somewhere else. Similarly, import is a keyword that is used by Golang to import other packages, so you cannot use import as your personal username. Func is a keyword that is again utilized to define a function in Golang. So yeah, I think I have covered what a keyword is pretty much. So yeah, main package, again we are importing a package whose name is fmt, and the syntax of importing a package is something like this. You have to add this this small brackets, then you have to write the package name in double quotes if you are importing a single package. And we are importing the package name is fmt, that is responsible for displaying things on console. As of now I can see only one method of fmt package, that is println, we are using to print the hello world. And yeah, declaring function, executing the same. So we have done all these things in the previous live stream, but yeah, this is something. Yeah, statements are separated by ending a line, hitting the enter key, or by adding a semicolon. So semicolons are also allowed in Golang. You can add a semicolon to say the compiler that okay, this is the end of a statement, or you can just hit enter. Compact code, go do support compact coding. Similarly, see, so the once you complete a statement, you have to add a semicolon. Okay, let me clear this thing in a different way. So here is a program. This includes 9 lines, right? And here we are saying that enter is the representation of a statement end, right? But we can do similar thing by like typing something like that. Okay, import a package, sorry, define a package that is name is main. Now if we add the semicolons right here, the compiler, so when we do go run, the compiler will think that okay, this is a semicolon, it means this thing is treated as one single line. And if I write this import fmt here, and so now for us it's a single line, right? But for compiler it's a two line, because semicolon is dividing these lines. Now if I add a semicolon here, so for us again it's simply a single line, but for compiler there are two lines. If I say I do not need, so I will be writing a hello world in separate file actually in a single line. Let me create a directory day2 new file hello.go. Cool. So we have imported the fmt package. Now what we are trying to say is we will be we have to create a function actually, right? So func is the syntax for the same, and function name will be main, and yep, whatever inside this block is will be part of this function main, and again a semicolon. So semicolon again representing that we are finishing a line. We do not need a semicolon at the end because we will be adding the print statement inside the main function only. So I will be explaining this complete line once again. Let me just finish it first. So fmt dot println, and let's say hello world and semicolon. What is it I did? Okay, I have to recheck. Okay, we are importing a single package, so we have to use these small brackets as well. But in our case it's highlighting in what should I say, in different color. What is it I am missing? So package main done, importing fmt package done, func main done, fmt.println p capital. I think we can try to execute this now. So we will be going to day2. There's only one file. Again we will be doing go run hello.go. Cool, it's working fine, right? It is displaying the output. I'm not sure why this highlighting is messed up. I guess we have to install the golang extension, but we will be taking care of that next time. So let me explain it now. For us it's just a one line of code that is containing how much, 72 alphabets. But for the golang compiler it's a I should say 3 or 4 line code, because semicolon is dividing each of these lines for the compiler. So for compiler this is line 1, this is line 2, and this entire thing is a separate line, I should say, and this entire thing till the semicolon is a separate statement. If I remove this semicolon, things are still working because there is no other statement after this. But if I remove either this or this semicolon, then it should throw some error that we are expecting a semicolon, but we are getting func. Similarly, if I hit enter there, then things are fine, because enter will also act as a new line to the compiler as well. Cool. Oh, dude, things are I'm not sure why in the last one we have to create this sum or not, but yeah, I think we are good to go with the hello world program. Let me paste it here for the reference. We can write it something like this. Cool. So hello world in golang, again we have the first line declaring a package name main, second line importing the package fmt, third line basically declaring that we are creating a function named main, fourth line and sixth. So this is basically creation of a block, and inside a block we have a statement that is fmt.println, basically printing something on the console, and the thing which we are printing is hello world. Now a similar thing can be written in a single line, like we have written it here, that package main semicolon basically represents the new line, or I should say enter. Then again a semicolon here, this is representing the second line, and this thing again is a block itself, and this is again in last and statement. So yeah, I think we have covered the hello world pretty well. So what are the key points? Like we need, let me just push it. I will just paste the URL and I will dump the content here later. Get this is not related to again golang. Ah, dude. Cool. Uh, commit hyphen golang day 2. Let me merge the changes. This thing can be seen here as well, like actions. I can see actions here, right? Let it just finish things. I will just give you the URL of this page once it will be generated, I should say. This is going to take some time. I think it's queued. So yeah, I mean we have done the hello world, but now we know the syntax a little bit, like how to, can I end the statement, or how can I, okay, yeah, line 4 1. Okay, it has to be a new line. You cannot. Okay, unexpected semicolon or new line before. Is it taking this? No, no, this is not the issue. Hey, dude, what happened here? Func main line 6 1. line 7 1. Will it work this? Oh, this is okay. Okay, got it. So either it has to be at the end, because that is how it what should I say? It won't treat it as a new line. If I do this, then the compiler think this is a different statement and this entire thing is a different statement, and the compiler has no idea what this thing is. So yeah, and another thing we learn is that double slash can be used as a comment. So we will be covering like these things uh, soon in the upcoming live stream. So today what I have just done, I am about to summarize this a little quickly, because yeah, how can I change this, dude? Oh, got the option. Cool, it's fine. Now I will be seeing golang somewhere, right? Uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. Something is fishy here. I have to recheck. Okay, dude. That's my problem. I will be pasting the URL in the stream description box, so you don't have to worry about that thing. Anyway, so now we know the basics, like how things work. What are the requirements, packages, and all the semicolon and the new line thing. So I will be summarizing today's live stream really quickly, because I need to set up this uh, blog thing so that I can write content right away and give you the same URL, so that it won't, things won't, you don't have to go here and there for finding the content, I should say. So for today's live stream, we have learned that this thing, this is supposed to be like this only. You have to open a bracket right after this function name declaration, because otherwise if you do something like this, then it will be treated as a, this thing will be treated as a statement instead of a function declaration. Other thing is, how can you use semicolon to talk to the compiler that that's a new line, dude? Okay, that is another thing which I learned today. So yeah, I mean, I'll be fixing that blog thing, and then only I will be continuing the stream continuously. Like I will be learning things further. So yeah, I mean, I think I can close day 2 now and fix that tag and those things in the blog. So git add status, git status day 2, git add dot commit hyphen m golang. Okay, for now I have to add it in day 1 as well, day 1 only. Day 02. Let me quickly merge things. creating a PR and must. Yeah, I think day 2 will be added here. Confirm, dude, confirm. Cool, you can see day 2 here. So for today's thing, we have learned the differentiation that compiler do based on the new lines and or based on the semicolons. We learn how to add the comment, and yeah, I mean, we'll be continuing further in the next live streams. So see you in the next one.